Hello everyone. A query letter and synopsis are your golden tickets to getting noticed by agents and publishers. Today, we'll learn how to craft these documents to open the doors to your publishing dreams. Understand the purpose and importance of a query letter. Learn the structure and key elements of an effective query letter. Discover how to write a compelling synopsis. Explore submission guidelines and tips for sending out your query package. The purpose and importance of a query letter. A query letter serves as your introduction to literary agents and publishers. It's your first chance to make an impression and convince them to read your manuscript. Key purposes. Introduce your manuscript. Provide a brief overview of your book. Showcase your writing style. Demonstrate your writing skills through a concise and engaging letter. Highlight your credentials. Mention any relevant writing experience or awards. Example, think of a query letter as a movie trailer. Just as a trailer invites viewers to watch a film, a query letter invites agents to request your manuscript. Crafting a compelling query letter. A well-structured query letter typically includes the following elements. The hook, a captivating opening that grabs the agent's attention. Example, in a world where memories can be erased, one woman fights to keep her past intact. The book overview, a brief summary of your manuscript, including the main plot, key characters, and central conflict. Example, Luna, a memory eraser, discovers a conspiracy within her organization. To protect her loved ones, she must face a world of secrets and lies. The bio, a concise biography highlights your relevant writing experience. Example, I have a degree in creative writing from XYZ University, and my short stories have been published in ABC Magazine. The closing, a polite and professional conclusion, including any details about your manuscript, word count, genre, and a thank you. Example, thank you for considering my manuscript. Memory Keepers is a 90,000-word speculative fiction novel. I'm excited to hear your thoughts on the story and characters. Writing an effective synopsis. A synopsis provides a detailed summary of your manuscript, including all major plot points and the resolution. It's usually requested along with the query letter. Key elements of a synopsis. Introduction. Introduce the main characters and the initial setting. Example, Luna, whose job is to erase memories, works in a futuristic city where the government controls all information. Major plot points. Outline the primary events and turning points in your story. Example, when Luna discovers a secret plot to manipulate citizens' memories, she must ally with an underground resistance to expose the truth. Climax and resolution. Describe the climax and how the story concludes. Example, in a climactic battle, Luna confronts the corrupt leaders, ultimately restoring freedom to the city's inhabitants. Tips for writing a synopsis. Be concise. Keep it brief, typically 1 to 2 pages. Focus on clarity. Ensure that the narrative is easy to follow and free of unnecessary details. Maintain your voice. Write in the same style as your manuscript to give a sense of your writing voice. Submission guidelines and tips. Submitting your query letter and synopsis can be a daunting process, but following these guidelines and tips can improve your chances of success. Guidelines. Research agents and publishers. Ensure they represent your genre and are open to submissions. Follow submission guidelines. Each agent or publisher has specific guidelines. Follow them carefully to avoid automatic rejection. Include all requested materials. This may include a query letter, synopsis, and sample chapters. Tips for submission. Personalize your query. Customize each query letter to the specific agent or publisher. Mention why you chose to query them. Be professional. Use a professional tone and avoid slang or overly casual language. Edit ruthlessly. Revise multiple times to eliminate any errors and improve clarity. Track submissions. Keep a record of where and when you sent each query to avoid duplicate submissions. Example, before achieving global fame, author Paulo Coelho received numerous rejections for his manuscript The Alchemist. However, he persisted in refining his pitch and synopsis based on feedback from agents and publishers, eventually finding success and becoming a best-selling author. Assignment: write a query letter and a 1-page synopsis for your current writing project. Create a mock submission package that includes these documents along with a cover design and author bio. Closing thought. Crafting a compelling query letter and synopsis is an essential skill for any aspiring author. These documents are your first impression on agents and publishers, so make them count. With well-crafted documents, you increase your chances of getting your manuscript noticed and achieving your publishing dreams. Keep refining your query and synopsis until they shine, and stay persistent in your journey. Best of luck, and may your stories find their way to eager readers.